Hello my friends, today I'll show you how to make this incredible full responsive cards list. Let's start it. Let's create new folder. I'll name it YouTube cards. Let's open our editor and just move it here. Let's create index.html file, source folder. Inside source folder we need images folder, styles folder, and let's create a SVG folder. Inside styles let's create main.css file and let's connect it with HTML file. For quickly starting working with HTML file, you can just write exclamation mark and press enter. And as you can see, we have finished HTML for starting working. Let's connect it. Just write link, style sheet, href./src, styles, main CSS. And let's connect fonts. For this tutorial, we will use this font named Canit. Let's choose our sizes. I think 200 will be okay, 300 and regular 400. Let's copy this one and paste it here after styles. And let's copy font rules. Now we can close browser. Let's write our first CSS lines. Let's make it globally and just paste it here. And let's write box sizing border box. Now we can check our fonts connected or not. Just open inspect, and as you can see we have font Canit sans serif. Awesome. Let's reset our default paddings and margins for our text. So at H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, P tag, div tag, A tag, main tag, and yep. Let's write margin 0 and padding 0. Let's write our HTML code. Let's close head tag. Let's create section with cards section class name. Inside this section we need create div with class name cards, and inside this div let's create other div with class name card. We have cards, and inside cards we have card class name div. Let's copy this card 2 times. And let's write CSS code. Let's add background color for HTML file. It will be hashtag E7, E7, E7. It's like light gray. Let's write styles, cards section. Max width will be 1440 pixels. Margin will be auto, and padding top will be 150 pixels. Let's write styles for our card. Cards.card. Width will be 230 pixels. Height will be 265 pixels. And let's choose background color red. As you can see, we have 3 cards. And let's add border radius for these cards. 15 pixels. Yes, Now you can see 3 cards. Let's add display flex for card section. Display will be flex. Justify content center and align items center. Perfect. Now we can add styles for our cards. Gap will be 30 pixels. Display flex. Flex wrap. And justify content center. Now we have 3 cards. It will be full responsive. We can check it. Perfect. And now we can download our images. I spent a lot of time looking for these photos. Link will be in description, or you can just download from my GitHub source code. Let's write our HTML file. Now we can just delete this too, and after we can copy this one. Let's create other div with class name card underscore top and other div card underscore bottom. Inside card underscore top we can write img src dot slash src images watch 1. Let's write just watch 1. We have our watch. Perfect. And inside card bottom let's create other div with class name bottom colors, and inside this bottom colors we need paste this SVG circle. Link will be in description too. Let's check it. As you can see, we have circle with black stroke. Let's delete stroke width. Let's change sizes to 6.5. Radius will be 6.52. And let's change this color. I don't know this watch's color. Let's check it. Red. Yeah, we can copy it and paste it here. And let's change height and width for SVG. Let's write 13 pixels with 13 pixels too. Perfect. We have very small but cute circle. Let's copy this 2 times. We have 3 colors. And after this SVG, this div tag, let's create other div. Class name will be bottom name. We can close this one, bottom. It's inside card bottom underscore. And inside bottom name, let's write P. I don't know this Apple Watch name. Let's write just Apple Watch Series 7. Let's create other div with class name bottom. Let's price. Let's write span. Copy span 399. And let's write add to cart. Perfect. We have name, we have price, and we have add to cart button. We can write button. I think span will be good. Let's write our styles. Bottom, let's start with colors. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. Gap will be 5. Yeah, we centered our colors. And let's add margin top. It will be 5 pixels. Let's add styles for bottom name. Bottom name. Let's add padding 40 pixels. Perfect. Let's add class name for p tag inside bottom name. Bottom name p tag. Let's write font weight will be 400. Font size will be 16 pixels. And let's change this color. Like this. Let's add styles for bottom. Price. Padding will be 40 pixels too. Display will be flex. And justify content will be space between. As you can see, we have so cute price and add to cart button. Let's change our style for span. Bottom price span. Let's write font weight will be 400. Font size will be 14 pixels. And color will be light gray, just gray. Can make it like this. Awesome. And let's add cursor pointer for add to cart. You can copy this one. Let's write last child. Cursor pointer. Let's add styles for card bottom. Card dot card bottom will be width 100%. Height will be 130 pixels. Background color will be white. Border radius will be 15 pixels. Position will be absolute. Bottom -1 pixel. Let's add some styles for cart. Cards dot card. Position will be relative and margin top will be 80 pixels. Perfect. Let's add some styles for our image. It's inside cart underscore top. Image. Width will be 200 pixels. Height will be 215 pixels. Position absolute. Let's write left 0, right 0. Bottom 100 pixels. Let's like 120 pixels. And let's add that index 2. Let's add margins. Margin left will be auto. Margin right will be auto. Perfect, it's centered. Let's change card's background color because now it's red and I do like it. You can copy this color. Perfect. It's a little bit lighter than watch's color. And now guys, let's copy our cards 2 times and change our images. First one is watch 1. Second one, it will be watch 2. And third will be watch 3. Awesome. Let's make it more correctly. Let's add some styles for card bottom. Display flex. Justify content. Let's write it space evenly. And flex direction, column. Perfect. And let's add animation for hovering. Let's write transition all 200 milliseconds, easy in out. And let's write chord hover. When we will hover our card class name inside this class, card bottom, let's write bottom 2 pixels. Let's check it. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Please write in comments which type of tutorials you want to see in future. Good luck!